Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to add and remove elements from NumPy arrays. Specifically, we will see how to convert a smaller array into a larger array, how to append two arrays, how to insert element inside an array, how to delete element from the array. First example of increasing the size of array. For this purpose, we are importing NumPy library as NP. We are creating a one-dimensional NumPy array A using np.arange function having argument as 1 4, 1 represents start, 4 represent stop. Step size is not specified, therefore by default step size will be 1. So it will start from 1 and run till 4 minus 1, which is 3. So it contains element 1 2 3. We check the shape of NumPy array. It is a one-dimensional NumPy array. So tuple return will be containing only one element, which is the number of element in the row of NumPy array A, which is 3. We check the content of A. It is containing elements 1 2 3. Now using A, we are creating a larger size NumPy array using np.resize function. It takes two arguments, array which is to be converted into a larger size, and shape of the NumPy array in which it is to be converted. So the second argument is a tuple containing 2 rows and 6 columns. Therefore total number of elements will be 12. So we are converting an array which is of size 3 to a two-dimensional NumPy array which is of size 12 using np.resize function. So A1 will be created. So empty position of A1 will be recursively filled by A. So if we check the output of A, it contains 2 rows and 6 columns. Initially first 3 elements are from A. Now the empty position are recursively filled from the NumPy array A. So again 1 2 3 A ended, again 1 2 3 A ended, again 1 2 3 A ended. So we have created A1 from A. In the next example, we will see how to append two NumPy arrays. For this purpose, we are creating a two-dimensional NumPy array B1 using np.array function. Inside it, we are passing a list containing two tuples. Two tuples means 2 rows. Each tuple contains 3 elements means 3 columns. Data type of each element is float. So we have A1 which is a 2 by 6 containing element 12 and B1 which is a 2 by 3 containing element 6. So we check the shape of NumPy array A1 which is 2 by 6 containing element 12 and B1 shape which is containing 2 rows and 3 columns containing element 6. When we append A1 to B1 to A1, by using np.append function, all the elements of B1 will be appended to A1 and we will create a one-dimensional NumPy array of containing 18 elements. If we check the output, after A1 which contains 12 elements 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, we have appended elements of B1 which is 1.5 2 3 4 5 6. Total number of elements in the resultant NumPy array Z is 12 plus 6 which is 18. So if we check the shape of NumPy array, which is a one-dimensional NumPy array because tuple contain only single entry and total number of elements inside Z is 18. In the next example, we will see how to insert an element in NumPy arrays. So we are again creating A, which is a one-dimensional NumPy array using np.arange function containing 3 elements 1 2 3. Using np.insert function, we are passing argument A, index position where the elements are to be inserted, and the third argument, element which are to be inserted inside the array. So to array A, we are inserting at index 1 elements 5 6. Click on the cell and run the cell. This newly created array will be stored again in A, and if we display the content of A, it contains 1. At index number 1 we have inserted 5 6. At index number 2, then the following index 2 3. So at index 1 previously we had 2. Now at index 1 we have 5 6 after insertion. In the next example, we will see how to delete an element from NumPy array. Similar to inserting an element in the NumPy array, we have deleting an element from NumPy array. We have to pause the array and index position from where the element are to be deleted. So we have NumPy array A containing 1 5 6 2 3 at index 0 1 2 3 4. We are deleting from A element at index position 1. So element at index position 1 is 5. So 5 will be deleted from this NumPy array and resultant element will contain 1 6 2 3. Click on the cell and run the cell. We get the output as 1 6 2 3. That's it for this video. We have seen how to increase the size of NumPy array using resize function, how to append two NumPy arrays using append function. We have also seen how to insert elements in NumPy array using insert function, and how to delete elements from NumPy array using delete function. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.